Understanding That's a Drag, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and commonly used English phrase, "That's a drag." This phrase is a great example of informal English and is often heard in everyday conversations. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how to use it correctly. "That's a drag" is an idiomatic expression used to describe a situation that is disappointing, boring, or frustrating. It's a casual way of expressing displeasure or annoyance about something. For example, if a friend cancels plans at the last minute, you might respond by saying, "That's a drag," to express your disappointment. The phrase, "That's a drag," originated in American English and became popular in the mid-20th century. It is believed to come from the idea of something being so heavy or difficult that it drags you down emotionally. This metaphorical use highlights the phrase's ability to convey a sense of emotional weight or burden. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in real-life situations. 1. Weather-related disappointment. "I was looking forward to the picnic, but it's raining now." That's a drag. 2. Event cancellations. "The concert we wanted to attend got canceled." That's a drag, isn't it? 3. Daily hassles. "I have to work overtime this weekend." That's such a drag. In each of these examples, the phrase is used to express a feeling of disappointment or frustration about a situation. It's important to remember that "that's a drag" is informal and best used in casual conversations. It's not appropriate for formal or professional settings. Also, it's a sympathetic phrase, so it's often used to show empathy towards someone else's disappointing situation. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, "That's a drag." It's a handy expression to know for casual English conversations, especially when you want to show sympathy or relate to someone's disappointment. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.